ClickOnCare.com.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to present Aloe Vera Cream. It is a cream for everyday skincare. It helps to protect, nourish and repair your skin texture. Its key ingredients are aloe extract, vitamin E and a moisturizing cream base. Now I'll tell you how you will use this cream. Apply to the affected area as required. Use this cream regularly. It is specially recommended for use after bath, and this is marketed by Glenmark and it contains 150 gram.
ClickOnCare.com, the largest online cosmeceutical, dermacare and nutrition store. Now on Android and